guys tired of those soggy, boring sandwiches? We're gonna show you something that...
Not ours.
No, definitely not. Our sandwiches are not boring. But anyway, stuff that you take to the beach or on a picnic. You know, in Naples, Italy, this is something that they actually use a lot when they go to the beach or a picnic. They cut these into slices and they wrap it up and they take it to the beach or a picnic and then they eat it cold. It's really very, very good. This is
Pesto.
Oh, pesto. Yeah. Yeah, it's a beach that we hung out at in Italy a while back. Anyway,
Very long time ago.
This is a spaghetti pie that our grandmother used to make us. It's so easy and delicious. You can use your leftover pasta. It's awesome.
Spaghetti.
Let's get cooking.
All right, we're gonna cook our spaghetti now, guys. Grandma's spaghetti pie.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Now we'll let this cook up.
I think we have everything for our spaghetti pie. Grandma's famous spaghetti pie, man. Just got some cold spaghetti, eggs, parsley, salt, pepper, cheese, and that's it.
All right.
And we're gonna pan fry it on both sides. Now we're gonna make our egg wash. Baby eggs. Grandma always had some shells in there, remember? Every once in a while.
It's because you couldn't see.
Yeah, I know. Is that all the eggs? Yes,
That's
it is. Let me clean my hand. Let's go ahead and mix up our eggs. I'm gonna put some salt in here. Some parsley. All right, this recipe calls for a lot of pepper, black pepper.
Oh, black pepper.
That may not even be enough. Now we're going to mix this all together. Cheese, and then now we're going to put our eggs in there. And we're going to put a lot of that cheese in there. I don't know, what is that, a cup and a half of cheese maybe?
Yeah, Parmigiano Reggiano, the best.
Now we're just going to mix this up really good. Get all the eggs and everything. I would eat this right now like pasta salad.
I don't know about them raw eggs though.
Why not, man? I eat raw eggs all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You think you're Rocky Balboa?
No, but I love egg yolks. Oh, look at that. Nice.
Now we gotta heat up that frying pan, right?
Yeah.
All right.
With a little butter.
Nice.
It'll look good. Look, we're gonna put a little olive oil in here. And I'm gonna put a little butter in there too. You wanna get the bottom nice and crispy. This is just about there. All right, let's put our spaghetti in.
Perfecto.
Okay, you're gonna wanna kind of even this out.
All right. Yeah.
All right. Okay, we're gonna flip this over.
Drum roll.
Oh, look at that. That is perfectly cooked.
I'm just gonna put oil in it now, no butter. There's too much water in the butter. Could have stood for a few more minutes. Now it's just gonna need a couple minutes on this side.
And that's it.
And that's it. Then we're gonna transfer it. We're gonna let it sit and get cold for a little bit. Not cold, but you know, sit for 10 minutes and then we'll take it out of the pan.
It was wonderful. Beautiful.
Okay, this is ready, guys. I'm gonna slide it off into the
To the sunset.
Come on, baby. Oh. Be a good boy. Could be a good girl.
That is perfect. Perfectly cooked. All right, let's eat.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna cut this in half. You can cut it like a pie.
Pizza pie.
Because this is what it is. This is a pie. Pretty big pieces. I mean, it trust me, this is very filling.
Oh, yeah.
Grandma used to make a hotel pan size. Remember?
Yeah.
Spaghetti pie.
Oh, yeah.
Yum, yum. That looks good, man.
Perfecto.
Still a little hot, but...
Yeah.
And by the way, in the morning, right out of the refrigerator, it's unbelievable cold.
Oh, I know.
My favorite breakfast.
You don't even fall for this. That's right. I forgot. Anyway, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful.
Right on the money. This is absolutely delicious.
Not bad.
Hey, if you have a moment and you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You can do it in about 1 or 2 seconds. And we appreciate the subscribers. Hey, and we want to thank everyone who purchased our cookbook. I hope you're enjoying it. If you are, go back on Amazon and leave a review. That helps us out as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks again, guys. Take care. It's chow time. Don't choke on
There was
my
something-
spaghetti pie.